Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here to Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budget, paying off for that, and minding no business. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, something, all of the above. You know, we'd love to see you over here. So go ahead and join the family because we'd love to have you. And as you guys can see, we're going to be doing our weekly expenses, y'all, the first week in December down. So, you know, come on, come part of the ho, you know, come and show what's up with you. And I'm going to show you my budget, okay? So, no shade, no tea. Where did this money be? Okay. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I have zoomed y'all all up in my business because I love y'all all up in there, okay? Get into it. But before we even start this video, I just want to let you guys know something, okay? December is done for. It's over. I'm doing this for tracking purposes. You know, expense tracker, that's it. Yeah, part of it was my fault because, you know, I did. And then the other part of it is just not my fault. So I'm going to do a 73-27 on this one. I'm going to take 73% of the blame for December, and then the other 27% is, you know, the universe. Because I couldn't control what happens there. So, yeah. I'm letting y'all know right now, December is done for, but this is a formality, and I'm doing it because, you know what, I said I was going to do this, and I'm going to stand on business. So, since we're here standing on business, let's mind my business. Let's do these numbers, y'all. Let's see how well and bad I did. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's go through it, okay? Maybe the Lord will show me a vision into this. All right, so here we go. So, yes, you will see some 11/29 on here and 11/30. That was the other thing, too. Like, November, I think, had 5 weeks, and your girl just was not prepped and prepared for them 5 weeks. Okay, I made it to 4, and I was like, I'm good. But my paycheck came, like, a couple days later, child, you know? So, baby. So there is some November expenses that I did have to pay for because they are a part of the December budget stuff. And here we are, okay? Here we are. So first things first, I got Christmas money from my mama and my grandma. So I got Christmas money to spend. So I did spend Christmas money for some of this, so that kind of offsets some of the costs for these. So this is where you see Christmas money here, which is different from the Christmas envelope itself. I just want that to be known, like the Christmas envelope itself is different from Christmas money. So get into it. All right, so miscellaneous, right? So my budget, Christmas money started off as $279.55, and then for that I spent $3.46. And child, I don't know what was left over after that. I need a calculator, child. 279.55 minus 3.46 left me with 276.09. I'm not even gonna like do this all the time because that's gonna let us be here forever. I do got a cheat sheet, y'all. Let's get into the cheat sheet. Because cheat sheet has what's been paid already. Even if I don't know the numbers, it got what's been paid. So I'm just going to fill in the spend portion because then later. So here's the thing. This looks like a double charge. And I don't know who double charged me. And I can't like figure it out. So I just got double charged. So miscellaneous again on the same day was for $3.46. Like, it's so suspicious that it's the same amount, same day, same like seller or whoever, you know. I was like, all right, I don't got time. Then my soul trip, listen, I knew I was about to blow money. Like, you ain't gotta tell me, I already knew. So this isn't surprising to me. It's just, yeah. So on this soul trip, I spent $209.73. Basically what I'm saying is I'm gonna try again next year. This month is over. Off of this trip alone, and we haven't even started the month yet. I'm gonna try again next year. Y'all, I don't know if I'm getting sick or if I'm getting better. I sound stuffy as hell, but my chest is fine. I cough a little bit, and you know, my nose is all stuffy now. I don't know what's going on. I don't, but it is what it is. So y'all, I ate breakfast at I ate breakfast at this place, but then I also oh, sorry, back it up. So on my soul trip, I ate breakfast at the restaurant. Yeah, it was like $12 for a waffle like this size, y'all. And then the bacon was bacon. It wasn't like your regular I bought at the store. I can't remember the brand name, but it wasn't your regular packaged bacon. Them ones was that was in the pan, okay? That was in the pen. That was in the struggles. That was eating the food. They came right off the pig. Okay? Because that bacon was bacon and it was good. It was too much too. Like, I was like, oh my God, this is so much. Like, it is so like bacon. It wasn't bacon. It was bacon. It had a different beat to it. A different sound to it. I was like, okay. But what I was saying is that I ate breakfast and I didn't eat for the entire day after that. So I only had breakfast and then I went to Seoul and I did walk-in shopping, everything in that. And then the next time I ate was like 7 o'clock that night. I know, but I didn't have to buy water because the girl was thirsty. She was dry. So I spent $1.50 for water because, anytime you don't buy from a store, it's extra expensive for no reason. So I spent $1.50 on water. And then while I was out too, the same day for the same trip, for the same things, groceries, I spent, how much did I spend? I spent $69.63. $69.39, my bad. At the grocery store at Osan. It's another base, so I separated them by Osan and Kunsan, yeah. Excuse me. So, yeah. I spent $69.63. Then at a little shopping store there, I spent $49. And guess what, y'all? I had a plan for this desk, right? This desk right here to have paper on it and be pretty and stuff, background or whatever, child. I left the paper right there on the register and I walked out. I was so disappointed in myself. I was riding on the bus back home and I was like, girl, did you really leave the paper on the damn I was like, bruh. I left the paper on the thingamajiggy, on the register because I did self-checkout and I was like, bro, did I really do that? It was pretty rough in paper too. It would have been cute background. Y'all would have loved it. It would have given what needed to be given. But here we are. We're doing Vlogmas without it and it's going great. It's going great. I'm on day 9. No hiccups. We posted every single day so far. We are so proud of us. And so, yeah. So next year, well, maybe not next year because I think it's a part of this. We're going to do a mini update of the area. You feel me? We're going to do a mini update of the area. And then y'all can see, the little changes that had to just spice it up a little bit, So 2025 going to look different. But yeah. Yeah. But anyways, I spent at that little store $49.84 at the commissary again. Okay, so first of all, there was I bought so much. I bought fabric softener. I bought 4 of them jokers, and so because I bought 4 of them jokers, this commissary run was just fabric stuff. I got, yeah. Okay, but yeah, it was, yeah, a lot. And I didn't even get the thing that I really wanted to. That was the most upsetting part. I was like, I got stuff that, I couldn't get here at my current base. But I just, you know what? It is. So, Commissary Kunsan, which is where I'm at, I spent $98.98. This one was for household. This one was for food. I need to eat. I need to eat. I'm telling you, when I say that this is a formality, because yo, I'm gonna keep y'all in my business because, honesty, transparency is the best reality. And the thing I can offer you guys the most, I'm telling y'all it is. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. December's done. It wasn't even the beginning of the month. December's done. It's done. Just like that triple on, it's done. That's why I don't go outside. That's a lie. I do need to go outside more, but it's also cold now. But yeah, what also in about a couple weeks or so, I'm gonna tell y'all the tea. I'm gonna tell y'all the tea. Just so y'all know. Anyways, Amazon purchases. So we got Amazon for $29.98. We got an Etsy for 60 cents. And I took that out of Christmas money, so that is good for Amazon. She got, I don't know where she coming from, but somebody paying for her. And she is $23.18. And then AFEES, which is toiletries. I had to buy, oh, this is where I had to buy my Vicks child to help me. Because, baby, okay? But I tell you, just ridiculous. That was $15.67, but I should spend $16 because I always round up. Anybody got time? But I'm going to put the 67. Internet bill was $86.44. So we good. Korean restaurant, y'all. There's a Korean restaurant here on base that they do lunch, and apparently they change every day, but I spent $5 on lunch, and it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. I said, oh, eat down. But yeah. Amazon is $39.99. Amazon again is $18.37. Apple is $32.08. Kunsan is $110.69. And then my HOA, y'all, I had to pay $51.48 because I'm billing. So them is all the things that I spent this month. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through all the other things. I'll fill those out by myself. But basically, we gonna calculate how much I spent in the first week. Yeah, let's do that. So in the first week, okay, I'm telling you, December is done for. I spent $874.84. Now, bear in mind, I did pay 1, 2, 3 bills. So $874.84 include those 3 bills. If I take out those 3 bills, delete girl, $86.44, and then minus $51.48. I spent $711.92 in like regular non-bill money. And then if I take our Christmas money out of here, I spent $432.37 out of cash envelopes or sinking funds kind of money. Whether I had those or not, I spent it. It went on the credit card because I'm not spending. I bring Korean cash on me when I'm traveling for if emergency purposes. Because, baby, okay, my card wasn't working too when I was outside, and I was like, ooh, this ain't gonna work for you, girl. And so luckily I had cash on me and I could pay for stuff, and so it was fine. But baby, okay, my card don't work situation, crazy when you're outside and it's a whole different language, and you got keep both the local currency and US currency on you, you know, make things even. And so luckily I had those and I could pay for both. I took a taxi and I paid for the taxi with the Korean won, which is a local currency. And then I also, when I bought that breakfast that I was telling y'all about earlier, I paid for it with USD because I was on a US installation, a US base, and so I had money to pay for that. I'm telling you, keep them things on you because you never know when you might need it. So I do have Korean money on me when I go outside, but my credit card is mainly the factor that's used because the company will get my day money because that's what the credit card is, their money. But me, I need to I'm gonna keep my money, okay? So yeah, but yeah, $432.37 is what I have spent out of cash envelopes and sinking funds for the month, and we are going to pay these off some way, somehow. Again, 2025, we're just starting fresh. Yeah, we're just starting fresh. December's over. We're just checking it for accountability purposes, so y'all know. And it is what it is. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all heard in the first like 3 minutes that your girl was just out here, you know, being a menace with her money. And you decided to stay until the end. So if you did, shout out to you. Okay? And leave this little emoji so I know it's real. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I ain't got nothing else. That's all I got, y'all. If you have not seen the video from yesterday where I did my paycheck closeout of how much I actually put into each of these envelopes, because baby, okay, the budget, but like the paycheck and paycheck. Or if you want to watch all of Vlogmas, because like I said, we are on day 9. Oh my god, we are doing so well. We're on day 9. go ahead and check your girl out, okay? And I'm gonna leave that playlist right here. But my name is Aneke. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.